My video is about removing the fake human verification alerts which are related to the site pushuspace.com. Pushuspace.com is a malicious website which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to deceive people and to trick them into clicking on this special allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are not robots. But when people mistakenly agree with this misleading proposal and click on allow, this very moment their browser is hijacked and infected. They first get redirected to some malicious websites, and they start receiving a lot of pop-ups in the right part of the screen. You should deactivate these ads, otherwise they will just keep annoying you. So access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Delete this malicious site pushuspace.com. So remove it from the list and remove other junk sites. Finally, I would recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.